Do you know that the name of India's first Muslim woman fighter pilot is Sania Mirza? But if you are thinking that this is Indian tennis star Sania Mirza, then it is not so. But India's first Muslim woman fighter pilot belongs to Mirzapur district of Madhya Pradesh, India. Sania Mirza became India's first woman fighter pilot after clearing the National Defence Academy 2022 examination. TV mechanic's daughter Sania Mirza is the first Muslim woman to be selected as a fighter pilot in the Indian Air Force. Sania Mirza, who studied at Hindi Muslim school, says that if a Hindi Muslim student has passion, he can also achieve a lot. Sania Mirza will formally join the National Defence Academy on December 27. Sania's father Shahid Ali says that Sania considered India's first female fighter pilot, Anvi Chhatravedi, as her role model and wanted to be like her.